Hello guys, today is a very exciting day because we got a product from Google. It is a Pixel 6 in Sorta Seafoam. Now this phone normally comes out on October 28th, but today is 26th, so I'm lucky. So we got Seafoam here, and I got in 128 gigs, and you can see here Team Pixel, blah blah blah. Alright, now let's open it. Well, actually before I do, I'll just say the color here matches the color of the phone. And it says Google here, Pixel 6, Google logo, serial stuff on the bottom. This packaging is very easy to open. It's just like a little piece of tape here and you just, ah. Same with this side. Voila. And now we will open. Oh, oh wow. Wow. Wow, this is a nice looking phone. It is very big. Okay, so put that to the side. Actually, you know what? Let's do this instead. Let's just appreciate the beauty of the phone. So you have this nice brushed black aluminum sides and this baby blue like finish. It's glass, of course, and this weird lime like color and this giant camera visor and the display. Voila. All right, let's just turn it on now. Oh, wow. Okay, so while that's booting up, what do we have here? We have a charging cable. I'm not gonna remove any of this stuff really, but yeah, charging cable, a little connector which has male USB-C to female USB-A, so to transfer your data from your old phone to your new phone. And in here we have a SIM eject tool and a little manual that says how to warranty SIM eject tool, and a little manual here that says it's in French because Canada. SIM card tray, power button, volume button, fingerprint unlock, USB-C port, Pixel. Just pretend you don't see up here. Okay, it's gone. Now we have the phone here, and yeah, it's big. Get started. Actually, wait. I don't live in the US. Okay, all right. Let's just appreciate the phone for a second. Oh wow, it's quite big. I'm kind of glad I got this over the Pro model. The buttons are very clicky. It's nice. I also have some accessories I got. I got this nice wooden case here, which is gonna cover up the beautiful color, but that's okay. Boom. You know, it's a look. It's not bad. And we've also got some screen protectors here from a brand called Ivoller. Ivoller? I don't even know. But yeah, you open this up and it has 4 screen protectors. This thingy to help apply, like you put this over the phone, put the screen protector here, it helps you align it perfectly. As well as, you know, here's the 4 screen protectors and 2 for the camera. Camera screen protectors kind of suck. But yeah, that's about it. Pixel 6 looks awesome. Very, very nice. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna go play with this now. Whoa. So every time this little bubble here jumps, you can feel vibrate. Also, turns out this is language, not country.